Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting and profitable wooden project ideas that can help you build a successful woodworking business. If you're passionate about crafting and want to turn that passion into profit, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you enjoy the content. Stay with us until the end of the video for some valuable tips and insights that you won't want to miss. Starting a woodworking business can be both a fulfilling and lucrative venture. The craftsmanship involved in creating wooden items not only allows for artistic expression, but also provides opportunities to meet consumer demand in various markets. This article will delve deeper into profitable wooden projects that can help you establish and grow your business, exploring techniques, market trends, and entrepreneurial strategies. Number 1. Custom furniture. Market demand. The custom furniture market is thriving due to the increasing demand for unique, personalized pieces. Consumers are moving away from mass-produced items and looking for furniture that reflects their individual style and needs. Craftsmanship. To succeed, focus on high-quality materials and craftsmanship. Techniques such as joinery, finishing, and upholstery can elevate your furniture pieces. Consider offering customization options, such as size, wood type, and finish, to cater to a diverse clientele. Marketing strategies. Utilize platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work. High-quality photographs that highlight the details of your furniture can attract potential customers. Building a strong brand identity that emphasizes quality and uniqueness will also help you stand out. Number 2. Home decor items. Popular trends. Home decor is a rapidly growing industry, with consumers seeking unique pieces that enhance their living spaces. Items such as wall art, decorative shelves, and handcrafted mirrors can be particularly appealing. Design ideas. Experiment with different styles, such as rustic, modern, or bohemian, to cater to various tastes. Incorporating mixed materials like metal or glass can add a contemporary touch to your wooden designs. Sales channels. Consider selling your decor items at local craft fairs, online marketplaces like Etsy, or through your own e-commerce site. Building an online store allows you to reach a broader audience and establish a brand presence. Number 3. Wooden toys. Safety and sustainability. Parents are increasingly concerned about the safety and sustainability of toys. Wooden toys made from non-toxic finishes and sustainable sources can meet these demands. Educational value. Focus on creating educational toys that promote learning through play. Products like building blocks, puzzles, and role-play items can engage children while appealing to parents seeking enriching experiences for their kids. Marketing to parents. Utilize social media platforms and parenting blogs to reach your target audience. Consider collaborating with influencers in the parenting niche to expand your reach and credibility. Number 4. Garden furniture. Outdoor living trends. As outdoor living spaces become more popular, the demand for garden furniture is on the rise. Items such as picnic tables, benches, and loungers can attract consumers looking to enhance their outdoor areas. Material selection. Choose durable, weather-resistant woods like cedar or teak to ensure longevity. Consider offering finishes that can withstand various weather conditions, increasing the value of your products. Seasonal marketing. Promote your garden furniture during the spring and summer months when outdoor activities peak. Collaborate with local landscaping businesses or garden centers to cross-promote your products. Number 5. Pet products. Growing market. The pet industry is booming, with pet owners willing to spend on high-quality products. Wooden pet beds, toys, and feeding stations can tap into this lucrative market. Number 6. Kitchenware. Functional aesthetics. Handcrafted kitchenware, such as cutting boards, utensils, and bowls, appeals to both functionality and aesthetics. Consumers appreciate items that enhance their cooking experience and add beauty to their kitchens. Unique designs. Experiment with different woods and finishes to create distinctive products. Offering personalized options, like engraved cutting boards, can further attract customers. Collaborations with chefs. Consider partnering with local chefs or culinary influencers to showcase your kitchenware. Hosting cooking demonstrations that highlight your products can create buzz and drive sales. Number 7. Home office solutions, remote work trends. With the rise of remote work, there's a growing demand for functional and stylish home office solutions. Ergonomic desks, storage solutions, and organizers can cater to this market. Customization and functionality. Offer customizable options to fit different spaces and needs. Incorporating features like cable management or adjustable heights can enhance the functionality of your products. Online marketing. Leverage platforms like LinkedIn to reach professionals looking to improve their home office setups. Create informative content that showcases your product's benefits and includes testimonials from satisfied customers. Number 8. DIY kits. Capitalizing on trends. The DIY culture is booming, driven by a desire for personalization and hands-on experiences. Offering DIY woodworking kits can attract beginners and craft enthusiasts alike. Kit design. Ensure your kits are user-friendly with clear instructions and high-quality materials. Include everything needed to complete the project, making it easy for customers to dive in. Subscription model. Consider a subscription model where customers receive a new DIY kit each month. This can create a steady revenue stream and foster customer loyalty. Number 9. Seasonal products. Capitalizing on holidays. Crafting seasonal items like holiday decorations or themed garden ornaments can significantly boost sales during specific times of the year. Creative ideas. Think outside the box when designing seasonal products. For example, create unique wooden ornaments for Christmas or decorative planters for spring. Marketing strategies. Utilize social media to promote your seasonal products ahead of peak buying times. Consider running limited-time offers or promotions to create urgency. Number 10. Upcycled furniture. Sustainability appeal. Upcycling old furniture aligns with consumer trends towards sustainability. Refurbishing and revitalizing old pieces not only reduces waste, but also allows for creative expression. Techniques and skills. Develop skills in refinishing, painting, and reupholstering to enhance your upcycled creations. This can help you transform ordinary items into extraordinary pieces that attract buyers. Storytelling and marketing. Niche market. Creating wooden decor for events provides a unique niche. Items like centerpieces, signage, and backdrops are in demand for weddings, parties, and corporate events. Portfolio development. Build a portfolio showcasing your work to attract event planners and individuals. High-quality images from previous events can demonstrate your capabilities and creativity. Networking opportunities. Number 12. Workshops and classes. Teaching opportunities. If you have expertise in woodworking, consider offering workshops and classes. This not only generates income but also positions you as an authority in the field. Curriculum development. Create a structured curriculum that caters to different skill levels. Offering beginner, intermediate, and advanced classes can attract a broad audience. Community engagement. Partner with local community centers or schools to offer workshops. This can enhance your visibility and establish you as a trusted resource in your community. Number 13. Subscription boxes. Recurring revenue stream. Curating subscription boxes featuring exclusive wooden items or DIY projects can create a recurring revenue stream. Each month, subscribers receive new, unique items. Unique selling proposition. Differentiate your subscription box by offering themed boxes or collaborations with other artisans. This can keep the offerings fresh and exciting for subscribers. Marketing strategies. Utilize social media and email marketing to promote your subscription box. Encourage subscribers to share their unboxing experiences, leveraging user-generated content to attract new customers. Number 14. Online presence. Importance of digital marketing. In today's digital age, having a strong online presence is crucial for business success. Utilize social media platforms, e-commerce sites, and your own website to showcase your products. Content creation. Create engaging content, such as tutorials, behind-the-scenes looks, and customer testimonials. This can help build a community around your brand and encourage customer loyalty. SEO strategies. Optimize your website and product listings for search engines to improve visibility. Use relevant keywords and high-quality images to attract organic traffic. Number 15. Networking and collaboration. Building relationships with local businesses, artisans, and craft fairs can expand your reach. Collaborating with other entrepreneurs can lead to new opportunities and help you tap into different markets. Community involvement. Participate in local events, fairs, and markets to network and promote your products. Engaging with your community can foster brand loyalty and attract new customers. Strategic partnerships. Consider forming strategic partnerships with complementary businesses, such as home decor shops or gardening centers. This can create cross-promotional opportunities that benefit both parties. The woodworking industry offers a myriad of opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to build a profitable business. By focusing on quality, creativity, and market trends, you can create unique wooden projects that fulfill your passion and generate income. Whether you specialize in custom furniture, home decor, or DIY kits, the potential for success is vast. Start your journey today and lay the foundation for a thriving woodworking business. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found the tips and ideas helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing and giving us a thumbs up to support our channel. Your feedback means a lot, and it helps us bring you more valuable content in the future.